Beetroot, also known as beets, is a superfood brimming with essential nutrients. It has been recognized for centuries as a facilitator of overall health and well-being. And today, we're going to delve deep into the attributes of this amazing vegetable. This video will explore some of the top beetroot benefits. Beetroot, with its vibrant crimson hue, is more than just visually appealing. This root vegetable, known for its distinct earthy flavor, is a powerhouse of nutrition, fortified with vitamins and minerals vital for our bodies. It's a low-calorie vegetable with a high dietary fiber content, contributing significantly to digestive health. Among the myriad benefits of beetroot, the top 5 stand out. Firstly, beetroot is known to promote heart health. The high nitrate content in beetroot can lower blood pressure levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. A diet rich in beetroot can keep your heart ticking healthily. Secondly, beetroot enhances exercise performance. Athletes worldwide incorporate beetroot juice into their diets to boost stamina and endurance. The nitrates in beetroot convert into nitric oxide in the body, dilating blood vessels and increasing blood flow to the muscles, thereby augmenting exercise performance. Thirdly, the high fiber content in beetroot aids digestion and encourages bowel regularity. It helps prevent digestive conditions like constipation, inflammatory bowel disease, and diverticulitis. Ingesting beetroot can thus foster these digestive benefits. Fourthly, beetroot possesses anti-inflammatory properties. It's rich in betalains, phytonutrients known for anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. They help reduce inflammation in the body, protecting us from various chronic diseases. Finally, beetroot is known for its detoxifying properties. It contains betalains that aid the liver in eliminating toxins from the body, making beetroot a superb addition to detox drinks and diets. From ancient times, beetroot has been grown for its medicinal properties and was highly valued by Roman and Greek civilizations. Beetroot can also be used to present delicious and easy-to-make recipes that spotlight beetroot as a key ingredient. From a refreshing beetroot smoothie to a hearty beetroot soup, this superfood has got you covered. Beetroot will not only delight your taste buds, but will also contribute significantly to your health. In short, beetroot has a multitude of health benefits that are too significant to ignore. Whether you're an athlete aiming to boost performance or just someone trying to improve overall health and well-being, beetroot is a fantastic addition to your diet. We're confident you'll be enthralled by this vibrant vegetable. So buckle up and prepare for a deep dive into the world of beetroot. Stay tuned to discover why you should incorporate this vibrant vegetable into your daily meals.